Switch to Imagine and Shape in the 3ds compass. Click on the 3D shape and create New Geometrical Set. Select the new geometrical set and press Alt plus Enter to access the Properties panel. Rename the new geometrical set in the Feature Properties tab and press Enter to apply changes. Create another geometrical set in the Work Geometrical Set. Rename New Geometrical Set. Make sure main planes in the scene tree are visible. If not, right-click on them in the scene tree and select Hide Show. Select the XZ plane as the reference for creating the first subdivision surface. Select Shape Primitives on the Shape SubD tab and pick the IMA D-ring from the list. Switch to Side View with the navigation box. Activate Affinity and Point Selection in IMA Modification Tools palette. Hold left-click and drag while holding the Control key to scale the IMA D-ring. Double-click on the outer vertex of the base mesh to propagate selection to the outer vertices. Hold left-click and drag while holding Control key to scale the vertices together. Go to IMA Erase command in the Shape Sculpt tab. Hold Control key for multi-selection and select bottom faces of the mesh to remove. Press Enter to apply changes. Press Space to access IMA Modification Tools palette and make sure Affinity and Point Selection is enabled. Make Trap Selection, Shift plus left-click plus drag, and select vertices. Drag on axis of the robot to scale. Enable Translation to move vertices. Enable Affinity to scale vertices. Switch to Front View with the navigation box. Enable Translation to move vertices. Move vertices according reference image. Copy and paste subdivision surface with Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Select Copied Subdivision Surface and click on IMA Modification in the Shape Sculpt tab. Make sure Translation and Point Selection is enabled and select all points of the base mesh to move the surface to the right position. Press Enter to apply changes and press Escape to exit IMA Modification.